just a question to Ms. Anusha. Is like, what do you feel about the health drink which is available in the market? Your take on that, ma'am?
Okay, so mostly these health drinks are like given for many people who are working out and things like that. But when you see the thing, there's no much calories and a lot of artificial sweeteners are added, artificial sugars are added into the thing. And when you're taking energy drinks like this, it increases the blood sugar levels, and yeah, it has a effect on obesity and other impacts also. So it's not recommended that you can have the whole fruit can be taken, and instead of a juice form, because their absorption is more, the fiber absorption is more when you're taking a whole fruit than a juice form. So these drinks are not recommended in a longer run. So because it has no calories, and also with a lot of amount of sugar and other artificial sweetness into it.
No, I was referring to that most of people they join gym and they come out with big box of gym like protein diet
Yeah.
containers, and it becomes very difficult from our point of view to when the patient they ask us whether we can take those things or not.
Exactly.
So I
Yeah,
always say
doctor.
I'm
So
not the right
I would
person to.
say, yeah. So I would say this is the new trend that everybody is engaging, and mostly the youth, I would say, the youngsters that we have. And what the major mistake that they make is this is always a supplement, right? So instead of taking it as a supplement, they start exchanging their meal with it. I will only have the protein shake in my breakfast and I will not have my meal. So sorry to break everybody's myths here, that it is not going to give you the complete nutrition that a plate of your proper meal, a dosa and sambar and chutney is going to give you. है ना? So it contains less of carbohydrate. It contains lots of protein, definitely, but we have to consume a protein that is in a amount that is required from by our body, not less, not much. They levy like they start taking so much of protein in their diets that they end up having especially the MAU levels are increased or their creatinine levels are increased. So taking sources of protein through our natural sources like pulses, dals, legumes, non-veg food or eggs is much better. And along with that, if we are looking forward for whey protein, the best and very cheapest form of taking whey protein in your diet is because these dabbas that you are talking about, doctor, they cost 2,000 to 5,000 in ranges. So if anybody is looking for weight loss, or if anybody wants to take good amount of whey protein, so I would say when we prepare paneer at home, from the milk, so what we do is we strain out the paneer and drain the water out. The water that you get out from it is the major source of it, is the complete whey protein. So next time before buying the dabba of protein, you should add a packet of milk to your shopping list, grocery list, and take out the paneer, eat the paneer, good amount of protein and fats, and along with that have a glass of whey protein. So this will not give you any side effects also, because these protein powders have lot of artificial sweeteners, as Miss Anusha said earlier, and along with that lot of preservatives also. So better have a glass of paneer water instead of having the protein powders.